We checked out the ASUS TUF Gaming A14 last September and I said that it's the perfect amalgamation between an Ultrabook and a gaming laptop. So, I got one last November as my personal laptop and I have daily driven it ever since. Come CES 2025, there were a lot of laptops that were announced but none of them were as striking as the TUF Gaming A14. So, after seeing the upcoming releases slated for 2025, I can say that the ASUS TUF Gaming A14 is still the best 14-inch gaming laptop in the market this 2025. Here are the reasons why. First, let's talk about form factor. The ASUS TUF Gaming A14 sports a 14-inch chassis measuring 31.1 and 22.7 centimeters and about 2 cm thick, which I actually consider a thin and light laptop, albeit it's slightly larger compared to an ASUS ZenBook or ROG Zephyrus laptop. It's also the brand's first ever thin and light gaming laptop under the TUF branding. Its 14-inch form factor is small enough to fit in my 13-inch laptop bags, and it's relatively light at only 1.46 kilos, especially considering its specs, which lead us to the next reason, the specs. The ASUS TUF Gaming A14 is probably one of the most well-balanced laptops in terms of specs. It sports an AMD Ryzen 9 AI HX 370 CPU and an RTX 4060 mobile GPU with a TGP of 100 watts. These specs are still the same specs found on CES 2025 laptops, so you're not really missing out on performance. Yes, some of you may already be turned off by the RTX 4060 mobile GPU configuration, but do note that this has a 100-watt TGP, and I'll take that over the higher-priced RTX 4070 75-watt gaming laptops that are currently in the market. Not to mention that these laptops are larger up to 16 inches, and for thin and light gaming laptops, you're essentially paying for the thinness, but you have arguably less power. Going back to the ASUS TUF Gaming A14, you have 16 gigs of LPDDR5X memory running at 7500 MHz. It is probably the laptop's weakest point as it's not upgradable and is soldered. But it compensates with its high speed, so you're covered on most use cases. Moving on to storage, you have a relatively decent 1TB of Gen 4 NVMe SSD storage with another extra slot for expansion. This is a much bigger deal than what most people think, as some, if not most gaming laptops, don't offer an extra M.2 slot, let alone Ultrabooks. Of course, being larger than your average Ultrabooks, the ASUS TUF Gaming A14 has a decent amount of I/O configuration with one full-sized HDMI port, one USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C port, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A port, and a 3.5mm combo jack on the left side, while the right side has another USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C port, a micro SD card slot, and one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A port. The next reason why I like the ASUS TUF Gaming A14 is its 14-inch display, which is also a love-hate relationship for me. The ASUS TUF Gaming A14 sports a 14-inch WXQGA 2560x600p display. It is already bigger than most Ultrabooks. Its 16:10 aspect ratio is ideal for productivity, while the 165Hz with G-Sync support covers your gaming experience. And it has a good color gamut at 99% sRGB, 74% Adobe RGB, and 75% TCI-PT coverage, making it a good enough laptop for professional photo and video editing. It checks all of the boxes for a good display and is frankly above average than what you would expect on full-fledged gaming laptops. It's just that it's not an OLED display, which is mainly just a nitpick as an enthusiast. That said, we've already seen ASUS putting OLED displays on laptops that are as cheap as 65k pesos, so the Delulu in me still believes that ASUS is holding back just because it's a TUF laptop, not an ROG one. But clearly, they have some room to do so given its already competitive price, which is the perfect segue to our last reason, the price. Unlike most laptops that ASUS launched, The ASUS TUF Gaming A14 only has one configuration and is priced at $104,995. Some of you may consider it expensive, but I say it's competitively priced because of the following. Most RTX 4060 gaming laptops are priced at $85K and above, and these laptops are mostly Ryzen 5 or i5s, with some sporting i7 or Ryzen 7, but these laptops have a TGP of less than 100 watts. Not to mention that the CPUs mentioned earlier are usually one gen below or are less efficient in terms of battery life. That said, the A14 is also smaller than the aforementioned laptops and is also relatively cheaper than similarly spec'd ultrabooks in the market. So, you're really almost not paying a premium for its thin chassis. So, if you're like me who needs a slim and portable enough device to carry around anywhere for work but also have enough power to play all the latest games when needed, not have to worry about battery life, and enjoy consuming content outside gaming with its competitive display, then there's no other perfect 14-inch gaming laptop than the ASUS TUF Gaming A14. The ASUS Gaming A14 comes with a 3-month PC Game Pass and a 2-year international warranty with 1-year local accidental damage protection. So, if you're itching to get one, go to ASUS authorized retailers. That's it for the video. Peace.